Nice to meet you all again. I'm Ariel here. So today I will introduce about how to make a unboxing video with the equipment that you have. So you can see here we got two cameras set up, front view and top view. So later on I will show you all how to do it, and we'll show you the end result later on. See you. Hi, we are back again. So about the setup here, we can see from the view. Here we got camera A to show the front view of me. That's me like this, and then a top view to show you an item like this. So you see, can like this. This is top view. So how to arrange the lighting is just above yourself, and then use a big diffuser to diffuse the light. If you don't have diffuser, you can use a shower curtains, or if you don't have any lights here, you can use LED light or continuous light that are strong enough to enlighten yourself. So by starting off doing the unboxing things, so now you understand your product character well. So like this kind of character of products, this is a very glossy surface, so it's not so shiny. So you can do, and then you put here, as you see here above the view. Here now, you can see the box is clear in the very good lighting, and then no reflection at all. You can see no reflection. So we don't want to have reflection on the item that you want to review. Even though the lighting is set up here, but you can see the shining surface of my phone. You can see the shining surface of my phone. It's not in shining mode here. So you can see it doesn't reflect that much because the lighting came from the front. So you can see the lighting from front is quite important in making the lighting, making the reflective less on the surface itself. So continue with our unboxing here. First of all, how to unboxing works is just show your item to the front like this. Show your item. Let's say this one is the Leatherman, so I just use the Leatherman box here. See, Leatherman box. Show the name in front of the camera, the front view, and then followed by put down in the top view position. So the top view can let people see your item in a very clear and focused way. And then open up your item, and then show the character. Front view, show what kind of items you have having here. So let's say here is a blade. This is a blade, and then in the top view, more focus. Show the character of your item more focusedly. Yeah. Okay. Focus. Yes, in focus. So you can see the item is focused here. Show the character of your item. Example, this one has a serrated blade here. So I have a view from top view. So I can have a look first. Because the front view you are not moving a lot, so you make it as manual focus. Here we do the autofocus, will be better for focusing the item. And you can see here shows the character of the item, and then you put down, and it won't be that far away. And then here you have some spaces for yourself and how you want to interact with your customer or your viewer. So you can show them this, what you have, what you do, then what you can do with it, etc. This is how you do it, and then focus everything here. Just make everything top view. Okay, sorry. Yeah, top view is more prominent. So ensure that top view is more on the introduction of item. Front view is a way to interact with your viewer. So this is how we do a top view and the front view angle of the videography unboxing. And if you have any question, you can ask me, and then I will try to reply you in the comment below. So see you all next time. Bye.